Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today we will be discussing about top three vacancies. One is from IBM, then BETSOL, and then we will be discussing about Hero Motocorp. So let's discuss in detail. So for IBM, we have Salesforce developer profile, and this is totally for freshers. So let's discuss in details how to apply and the eligibility criteria. So bachelors can apply for this job, and this is totally entry level job. And yes, you can see the roles and responsibilities here, what kind of job role you will be doing here. Okay, and yes, I will just quickly go through what all details are required. I mean, eligibility is BTech, BE, MTech, ME, MCA, MSc in computer science, IT, computing, or semi IT background can also apply. Should be trained or certified from industry renowned institute in Salesforce CRM. If you have the idea of Salesforce and CRM, you can apply here. And yes, if you have any certifications course in this particular domain, then it will be an added advantage as well. So yeah, and if you have knowledge of sales and marketing also, then also you will be they will be preferring you over the other candidates. And yes, fluent skills are required. So this is what and yes, like I said, it is for freshers. Up to 2 years of experience can apply, and selection will be like cognitive ability, coding, and yes, will be applicable for freshers only. They'll check for coding, and English language is applicable for freshers and personal interview. So basically this is the overall criteria for IBM Salesforce developer. Then next we'll be discussing about so yeah, sorry, for to apply you can apply here and create a login ID, and yes, you can apply and wait for their shortlisting, and yes, email you have to wait for. Next, discussing about BETSOL of campus recruitment drive for 2022, which is BTech and BE, MTech, MCA freshers can apply. And yes, these are the only branches where you can apply, like computer science, IS, IT, ECE, and EEE branches. Last date is 27th of January, which is very important. Apply before. You have to fill in the application form, and yes, you have to like submit. And yes, after shortlisting, they will email you for the further rounds. Next, discussing about Hero Motocorp. This profile is basically for business analyst job, and your location would be in Rajasthan. Okay, and yes, you can go through in this details, like what kind of job role and responsibilities. Basically, it's an analytics, business analyst job. Okay, and yes, experience would be required here. Okay, so yeah, this was posted today itself. This job is posted, so you can apply as soon as possible from here. Any doubts or queries, let me know in comment section. And yes, don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates, guys. Have a great day.